Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're gonna go get the big post, the 6x6 12 footers, and we're gonna start putting them in the ground for the handyman sign. So I hope you enjoy today's content. I don't know how far we'll get, but we're gonna get as far as we can. Enjoy the clip. Alright everybody, if you're enjoying today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure to put them in a comment section and I'll answer those there. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the rest of the clip. We're on our way to the front right now to get everything unloaded and get to work. So enjoy the rest of the clips. Alright everybody, I'm about 2 inches away from being done with this hole. So I'm gonna time lapse this last clip. And then we're gonna go into putting the post in and leveling it up and getting one down, 2 to go. So enjoy the rest of this little clip here. done 4 foot-ish deep, depending on what side of the hole you measured from, but at least 4 feet deep. And so just to recap, I started out with my spade, digger, shovel, and dug about 1.5 or 2 feet so I can move the most dirt, and it's pretty good about getting roots. You can always use a reciprocating saw on stubborn roots, or get a saw that's got serrated teeth on the edges. But once you get past that point, then you start using your sharpshooter. This is an old grandpa sharpshooter that I put on a new handle and rigged up. And so you use this to start chipping away at it. Once it gets a little harder, you can't get straight down on it. And you basically, especially once you get to the last 3 or 4 feet, you just start drilling out the middle of the hole, doing this kind of stuff, and it really breaks up the middle. And then you can go in at the sides, and then it chips away a lot easier when you do that. And then as you do that, in between this and pulling dirt out, you use your post hole digger. I don't like using a post hole digger to actually break up dirt. It doesn't seem to be as effective as this method. So I'm gonna go get a new battery on my camera, and then put the post in and start packing and leveling it all the way back up to the top. Enjoy the next clip. Oh, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. We appreciate y'all watching. That's gonna do it for today's video. I'm gonna have to wrap up. I have to go help my dad with some stuff, but I will do the rest of the video as far as the sign and the other 2 posts. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And those cars are loud, running over the line. Appreciate everybody watching. Bigfoot out.